Hi there everyone, we are counting the days till Christmas, and I know that like me, a lot of you are probably rushing to buy presents or to send those letters or to order online or to visit the sites to see family and things like that. So there's just a lot of things on our plate. I know they're exciting, but they can be stressful. So here are some tips on how to avoid stress this Christmas. Welcome everyone to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D, and I am here to help women build their self-esteem, to empower them, to empower you. Today we are talking about how to prepare for Christmas without all the added stress. Number one, you know there are already lights out there. The parks are alive with Christmas decorations and lights, and you don't want to wait for the last minute. Bring your family, enjoy the lights while there are not very many people in the park. Well, my family and I were at one of the parks the other day, and we got to enjoy the lights without much traffic. So we had lots of selfies and lots of time to really look at the view, to enjoy the light, and do some videos. I think we spent about half an hour in the area and we were able to get everything done. Go check out your calendars, your community schedules, and see whatever is open right now, and definitely have fun. Next, make sure to get your Christmas shopping list organized. No matter what I do, I end up missing a lot of people on the list days before Christmas or even a day before Christmas. So no one's perfect, but we can try our best to write down the names of the people that we are supposed to remember. For you to avoid the panic, if somebody comes and suddenly, oops, I don't have them on my list. Well, what I normally do is I have some extra gifts on the side. They could be books, they could be home decors, they could be a scarf. And to add that little special touch, I would do some decorations on the Christmas wrapper. Customize is the word, so there you go. Of course, who can say no to chocolate? I know I always advocate for no sugar, no added sugar, but there are chocolate treats that have no sugar, like my favorite, number one, Purdy's. Purdy's has chocolates that have no added sugar, and I always make sure that I have them with me, especially if I'm craving for chocolate. And of course, I know we have so many friends and families that we want to see, especially now that the COVID restrictions are loosening a little bit and we're able to already see each other, of course with the COVID passports and IDs and all that stuff. But yes, we want to see everyone, but the thing is we only have 24 hours in a day and we only have so many days until Christmas. So Facebook chat, you know, videos, Zoom, you can always go say hello through all these online apps. So better to be able to see them online than not being able to see them at all. Call them, text them, maybe send a card to your loved ones. By now, you probably all have decorated your homes and are just enjoying the beautiful trimmings on the tree. That's what Christmas is for, right? It makes us happy. It brings back those memories of our childhood or when our family was all together. You know, just so many good stuff that we remember. But most of all, we should never forget the meaning of Christmas. Why do we even celebrate Christmas? Christmas is a day for Jesus because that's when Christ was born. And so we are all here to celebrate how much we love one another, how much we treasure one another. And however way you celebrate it, always remember that there's got to be something special behind the word Christmas. Whatever it is that makes you happy, whatever it is that makes you feel grateful for the year that's just about to end. Celebrate it. Enjoy every day. Don't stress as you do your shopping and preparations for Christmas. Have fun as you count the days until Christmas Eve. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. And if you can subscribe to my channel, that will be wonderful, because my goal is to inspire you to love yourself, to have self-esteem, and to know that you have the ability to change your life if you always look at things from a positive point of view. Merry Christmas! See you next week. Bye for now.